Happy Tuesday evening, Quad Cities. We finally got some much needed relief from that heat and humidity. However, we still have that weather impact alert for the rest of today and tomorrow because of the wildfire smoke, possibly causing some air quality concerns at the surface at times. Going to continue to monitor this. If you do have any sensitivities to smoke or have asthma, any sensitive lungs, reducing time outside, keeping the windows closed, and using the recirculation air setting on your car if you do have to travel out of the house will be your best method of preventing the smoke exposure. So here is visible satellite as we approach the 5:30 hour. So we do have these clouds to our south. Those are clouds, but looking at visible satellite, you can see kind of this off-whitish gray color. That is our upper air smoke. And the reason for that, all of those wildfires off in the Pacific Northwest, there is this area of high pressure across the desert Southwest, and all of that smoke is just riding across the ridge right into our region. Not just us, but look at how far that smoke is traveling across the east coast of the United States. This smoke will be with us through the rest of today and tomorrow, creating hazy skies, maybe some less sunshine, not as many blue skies. But this could reach the ground at times. Right now, the air quality is at a moderate for all of us, but if some of that smoke does make its way to the ground, it could pop up some oranges across our hometowns, maybe even some reds. We'll have to continue to keep an eye on that, but err on the side of caution if you do have smoke sensitivities. And right now, it is very apparent, that haze. Not really any blue skies. You can see just a lot of haze overlooking downtown Davenport. You may also notice, though, the relief from the heat. 86 degrees, that dew point sitting at 68. It's about 10 to 15 degrees cooler on the dew point side of things. That is just refreshing. Unfortunately, we are still dealing with that wildfire smoke. Temperatures so far this evening, 86 degrees here in the Quad Cities, 84 in Geneseo, 86 degrees in Sterling Rock Falls. Most part, the highest I've seen is around 88 degrees. We're not tracking any heat index values because those dew points have finally returned to more seasonable for this time of year. Upper 60s, lower 70s. This is still humid, but this is not nearly as humid as it was the previous 2 days. So this feels refreshing compared to the previous 2 days, but there is still a touch of humidity in the air. The lower humidity will allow those temperatures overnight to drop into the upper 50s for some spots. Look at that, 58 degrees in Clinton. It's here in the Quad Cities, 60 degrees. This is window open weather. These temperatures are at least, but check the air quality if you do want to open up those windows, just in case there is some surface smoke that may be of concern. High temperatures tomorrow will be in the mid-80s, around 85 degrees here in the Quad Cities, maybe the upper 80s for some of our hometowns in the Southwest. Will remain clear through Thursday, but then we're going to track a system moving in from the northwest, bringing in a pretty nice line of thunderstorms to western Iowa. And now this is going to be a slow-moving system from the west to the east. This is overnight, Friday at 1 a.m. Still have a nice line of thunderstorms. The severe threat seems to be to our southwest as this line of storms approaches us very early Friday morning. Just some heavier downpours, maybe some rumbles of thunder, and emphasizing just how slow-moving that this system is. We're just going to be seeing on and off rounds of showers all day on Friday. And these are our rainfall estimates from late Thursday through early Saturday. Some places could see 6 to 8 inches of rain. This is not exactly how it's all going to play out, but just to show you a general picture of how much rain could fall from this slow-moving system. So we'll continue to keep an eye on how much rain is going to fall and how fast this storm track moves. And I'll show you that weekend to begin your August in that 8 and 14-day tracker in 30 seconds.
Summer weather changes fast. 1 minute you're on the patio, the next a sudden storm hits and the power goes out. Don't be left in the dark. Whether you need a Generac generator or a simple home repair, Electric Doctor is here to help. Our technicians bring the local expertise and quality you deserve, handling everything from emergency service to a Generac automatic standby generator. Plus, with simple financing and low monthly payments, staying prepared is finally affordable.
Electric Doctor.
Still have that weather impact alert for tomorrow because of that hazy sunshine and that upper air smoke. Most of that smoke will clear out of our area by Thursday. And then we're just going to be tracking rounds of showers and storms on Friday, kind of lingering in towards your Saturday on August 1st. Could still have some scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. But temperatures, though, look at those temperatures. lower 80s. Some spots may not even crack 80 degrees Friday and Saturday. We'll start to gradually warm back up in towards the next half of the work week for the first week of August, really keeping those temperatures for more seasonable for this time of year and keeping that rain quite limited. But for the most part, we're just experiencing a much needed relief from the heat and humidity for the rest of this week before that round of rain comes in on Friday.